When it comes to enhancing your home's value, comfort, and energy efficiency, replacing outdated or damaged windows is a smart investment. Hiring a professional window installation service in Dallas offers numerous benefits that go beyond simply improving your home's aesthetic appeal. Here's why enlisting experts for your window installation is a decision you won't regret. Expertise and precision installation. Professional window installers in Dallas bring a high level of expertise to every project. Proper window installation requires precise measurements, careful sealing, and knowledge of building codes to ensure optimal functionality and a weather-tight fit. Hiring experts minimizes the risk of improper installation that can lead to drafts, moisture infiltration, and even structural damage. Skilled installers understand the complexities of different window types, whether you're considering double-hung, casement, sliding, or specialty windows. Their experience ensures your new windows are installed correctly the first time, saving you from costly repairs down the line. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of upgrading your windows is improved energy efficiency. Older windows are often drafty, allowing conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter your home. This results in higher energy bills and reduced comfort. Professional window installers use modern techniques to create a tight seal around your new windows, reducing energy loss and helping your HVAC system work more efficiently. Many Dallas window installation services also offer high-performance windows designed to reflect heat in the summer and retain warmth in the winter. With energy-efficient windows, you'll enjoy lower heating and cooling costs year-round. Access to high-quality materials. Reputable window installation services provide access to high-quality materials and a wide selection of windows to match your style, budget, and functional needs. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows with UV protection, soundproofing capabilities, or premium aesthetic designs, professional installers can guide you toward the best options for your home. Furthermore, many Dallas window professionals partner with leading manufacturers, which means you'll have access to warranties and guarantees that might not be available with off-the-shelf window products. This provides peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Time and cost efficiency. DIY window installation might seem like a cost-saving measure, but it often leads to higher expenses and wasted time if errors occur. Professionals have the right tools, techniques, and training to complete window installation projects efficiently. Their experience allows them to handle unexpected challenges, such as dealing with structural issues or correcting existing installation mistakes, without delays. Additionally, when you hire experts, you'll avoid the costs associated with purchasing specialized tools, disposing of old windows, and fixing DIY errors. Hiring a professional can actually be more cost-effective than attempting the job on your own. Enhanced home security. Windows are a critical component of your home's security. Poorly installed windows can become weak points, making your home more vulnerable to break-ins. Professional installers ensure that your windows are properly aligned, secured, and equipped with advanced locking mechanisms to keep your home safe. Modern windows often come with impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames, providing an added layer of security. When you work with Dallas window installation experts, they can advise you on the best security features for your specific needs and location. Increased home value and curb appeal. Installing new, high-quality windows can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal and overall value. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or want to enjoy the benefits of an upgraded appearance, professionally installed windows make a strong first impression. The fresh, polished look of new windows improves your home's exterior and makes it more attractive to potential buyers. Compliance with local building codes. Professional window installation services in Dallas are familiar with local building codes and regulations. Attempting a DIY window replacement may result in non-compliance, which could lead to fines or complications when selling your home. By hiring a professional, you can rest assured that all installations meet the required codes and standards. Warranty protection. Most professional window installers offer warranties for their services, which typically cover labor and materials. This added protection ensures that if any issues arise after the installation, you can have them corrected at little or no additional cost. DIY projects generally don't offer the same level of protection, leaving you to handle potential problems alone. Conclusion. Hiring a Dallas window installation service provides a multitude of benefits, including expert craftsmanship, improved energy efficiency, enhanced home security, and access to premium materials. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetic reasons, energy savings, or increased home value, investing in professional window installation is a smart decision that pays off in the long run. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your windows are installed correctly and ready to withstand the Texas climate, all while improving your home's comfort and style.